You're invited to our FOGO Ready 2027 Open Day at Creswick Transfer Station and Gaia headquarters. Join us on Tuesday, the 18th of November 2025, and see our In-Vessel Rapid Composter on site at Creswick Transfer Station. Tour the Gaia Lab and Manufacturing Facility. Get a behind-the-scenes look at the innovation driving circular economy solutions. Hear from Dr. Lachlan Speirs and Dr. Sarah King of Gaia. Learn how FOGO is transformed into high-grade compost, ready for council and community use. Discover the measurable outcomes of our composting technology. See how data-backed insights empower smarter waste strategies tailored to your council's goals and community needs. And explore how Gaia EnviroTech can help your council cut costs and emissions. Support local procurement and achieve full compliance by 2027, all by keeping FOGO local. No capital outlay, no burden, just impact. Let us take FOGO off your plate, so you can focus on what matters most.